Would I buy it? Welcome to the first episode of Would Hana Buy It? Come join me. It's my first time seeing it as well. Wow. The staging look really good. It makes the living room stand out. I love this Scandinavia something. This house is located in South Unionville, near Markham. The backyard is good too. It's a townhouse, but it feels like a semi-detached based on the space of it. Fun fact, I have a saved search named Hana Casual House Shopping, meaning whenever there's new listing that match my preference, I will get notification. And the chosen area are Markham, Townhouse, Richmond Hill, and maybe a bit of Vaughan and North York. The budget is between 700 to 800 and freehold. So if you have the same interest, maybe follow along. So far so good. I like it. Let's go upstairs. Oh, master bedroom. No comment. Markham is good in general, so walk-in closet. Oh, here the second washroom. It's 2 doors, which means it's linked between this bedroom, and you can access from here too. Come. Very cute staging. I'm not gonna compare myself with a Chinese agent because it's not my first language. But amongst all the Viet agents who speak Viet, I would say confidently that I know Markham best, if not second. I have been living in the cities for 10 years and I love it here. So, third bedroom. Let's go downstairs. Oh, there is a powder room. Okay. Should I be scared? I'm always feeling iffy going to a basement. But this is not bad. Always half finished. Really not bad. There's no lighting though. Only a small windows over there. But very clean. Wow. Very well maintained. So when I come to a house basement and I'm not feeling afraid, which means it's a good vibe. So to sum up, this house is currently listed at 800 each, but I believe it will go way higher than that. Would I buy it? No, because it's out my budget. My budget is only 700 to 800. But if my budget is in the range of 1.2, I probably would. But then if you in the range of 1.2, you have more other options as well. So I would say no. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a follow and join me on this new series. Who knows, maybe we can find our dream home together along the way. See you on the next one.